key markets, especially India, requires. The finance sector is facing a talent crunch, worldwide shortage of accountants. UK में ही अगर बात करूं, the demand for skills is on the rise. AI से डरो नहीं. AI is not there to replace you as an accountant. It is there to supercharge your career. India's economy is booming. Hello and welcome. The global demand for finance and accounting professionals is on the rise. And ACCA qualified individuals are in a prime position to seize these opportunities. और ऐसा क्यों है? Because ACCA equips you with the skill set that key markets, especially India, requires. Today we'll explore the key markets, especially India, where ACCA professionals are in high demand. Let's dive in. Global level पे अगर बात करूँ तो there is a shortage of accountants globally. The finance sector is facing a talent crunch. A study by Dutch-based recruitment firm Randstad highlights a worldwide shortage of accountants due to an aging workforce and evolving global standards. इसका क्या मतलब है? That the demand for ACCA professionals is greater than ever before. UK में ही अगर बात करूँ, the demand for skills is on the rise. In the UK, there's a well-documented skills gap in accountancy. With the rise of AI, data analytics, and cloud computing, firms need finance professionals who can adapt to this digital transformation. तो इसलिए मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि AI से डरो नहीं. AI is not there to replace you as an accountant. It is there to supercharge your career. Upskill yourself, get ready with the relevant skill set that today's companies and countries need, and you will be highly sought after professionals for them. A report by Robert Half's 2025 salary guide reveals that 52% of finance hiring managers plan to expand their teams in the next year, making it an excellent time for ACCA professionals to explore these opportunities. अब बात करते हैं इंडिया की. India's economy is booming, but the country faces a shortage of professionally qualified accountants. As businesses expand and globalize, there's an increasing need for accountants well-versed in international financial reporting standards. Mumbai, known as the financial capital of India, stands out as an ideal city for ACCA professionals. The demand spans across industries, from multinational corporations to startups offering vast career prospects. अब बात करते हैं demand in the US की. A deficit of 340,000 accountants. In the US, there's a pressing need for accountants. With a shortage of around 340,000 professionals, the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects a 4% increase in accountant jobs openings until 2032. With an aging workforce and fewer graduates entering the field, ACCA professionals can capitalize on this demand as well. अब बात करते हैं जर्मनी में, a dynamic finance hub. Germany's finance sector is also grappling with a skills shortage. Over a third of German companies report difficulties in hiring qualified professionals, particularly in the accounting roles. Cities like Berlin, Frankfurt, Munich offer attractive opportunities for ACCA professionals. कहाँ पर? Top firms such as Deloitte, EY, KPMG somewhat highly competitive salaries offer करते हैं. सिर्फ जर्मनी में ही नहीं, worldwide भी. Next बात करते हैं सिंगापुर की. The growing demand for financial experts. Singapore is projected to need an additional 6,000 to 7,000 accountants by 2025. The rise of financial technology and digital accounting tools has created this gap. in skilled professionals. Leading firms like Deloitte, KPMG have responded by increasing salaries, making accountancy an even more attractive career in the region. तो सिंपल बात है, अगर ग्लोबल पासपोर्ट चाहिए, you need to get and equip yourself with the ACCA qualification. Because as businesses expand globally, ACCA is going to remain the gold standard qualification, opening doors in high demand markets. चाहे फिर वो इंडिया हो, यूके हो, यूएस हो या कहीं पर भी across the world. Demand for ACCA qualification and the limitless career opportunities it offers is absolutely growing every single day. तो बस फिर क्या करना है? If you are an aspiring finance and accounting professional, don't wait. Start your ACCA journey today itself. For more insights and updates like this video, please reach out to me and we can connect on a detailed guidance in terms of if this qualification fulfills your global dream career. Till then, thank you so much. God bless.